Hey, what's up? It's David.Rosen, the team leader of the David.Rosen team at Douglas Elliman, and today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite profession, attorneys. You're at Thanksgiving, or it's Easter, or Hanukkah, and your friend's like, I'm an attorney, let me do your real estate closing. Well, maybe they should. But understand, here in New York City, attorneys do a job with their real estate attorneys that is done by what's called a title company in other states. In addition, they have a supplementary role, which is that they prepare the contracts. In other states, the real estate agent will use a pre-printed form drafted by their state association of realtors. But here in New York, an attorney will use a pre-printed form drafted by the attorney, and then they'll write a somewhat customized rider. That's a separate page, and the attorneys for both sides will go back and forth a bit. What's important when picking an attorney are the following things. One, they only do real estate. If they also do anything that involves the word court, run for the hills. That is not the attorney that you want. Two, they have a lot of experience and they have a lot of support. When you do a deal, you expect your attorney to send the contract out or receive the contract within 6 hours of the deal sheet getting to them. That's the form that you get when you are having a meeting of the minds. A lawyer who doesn't only do real estate or doesn't have a very well-established real estate practice is not equipped to do that. And what happens is, within the real estate brokerage community, we know this. So we ask, who's the lawyer? There's about 10 to 20 top law firms that, I'll be honest with you, they make their presence known to us. We know who they are, they know who we are, and that helps. If you're in a competitive situation and I'm selling a home and buyer one is paying $1.1 million and using an attorney that I don't like or never heard of, and buyer two is paying 1.075 and using an attorney I have heard of, I will tell buyer two that I would rather do the deal with you, but you have to match buyer one's price, and the seller will be on board with that, and that person will win. Nobody wants a bad attorney. Bad attorneys kill deals. They're just awful. They should be avoided. They should specify in a certain practice, and if they're not yet specialists in the real estate practice, they should learn how to be by working for someone who is. There's a number of great attorneys who do real estate in New York. When we work with clients, we recommend 6. We always recommend 6. You have a lot of options. They're, all types, and they have different price ranges, but it's sometimes $2,500, sometimes $3,000. Shouldn't be more, shouldn't be less. There are some attorneys who work for $500 or $700. You should avoid them too. You get what you pay for. If you do a good deal with a $700 attorney, consider yourself lucky. You are just as likely to have lost that deal because the attorney has oversold themselves and can't reply to comments or get the contract signed within 4 to 5 business days, which is the industry standard. Who you work with really matters, especially when picking attorneys. This is very important, and when you work with a top real estate broker, I'm sure they will reiterate that statement. Thanks. If you have any other question about the role of attorney in a real estate transaction, I'm happy to answer your question. Just call me or email me, and I'll be in touch.